Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create desktop shortcut Windows 11. Start by clicking on the Start menu, then click on All Apps. Now locate the application that will have the shortcut. When you see it, press on it and keep dragging the mouse to the desktop. Release it and you will be able to see your shortcut created there. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.